Welcome to my Alaska. As you can see, I'm down here at the well. This video is all about getting running water to the cabin. It gets really old in the winter time. I have to drive my truck down here with my jugs and fill it up from the water well here. Plus, I don't have iron in the water, but I have iron algae in the water. So I have to let the well run for like 2, 3, 4 hours before I can get good clean water, which it's been running for several hours now. So let's get these jugs filled up and we can get back up to the cabin. I've done some research on iron algae, and there's pretty much only 2 ways to get rid of it. One, use a bunch of harsh chemicals, which I don't want to do. Obviously, this is my well, so I'm going to be drinking this water. And the other way is to shock it. And I have my bottle of Clorox here. Unfortunately, I can't get this blue part out with the pump attached to it and everything. It's just too heavy for one person. You need 3 to 4 hands to be able to hold the pump up and someone else to wiggle this part around, because there's a big rubber washer right at the top here and it's just too hard. So I'm gonna have to save this for another day. Let's get over to the cabin. Now that you know what I have to do to get water, and I have to do that pretty much every single week, I need to get working on getting water flowing to this cabin. I have the hole marked right here for the exhaust for the on-demand hot water heater. This morning it was 7 degrees outside. Right now it's approximately 12 degrees outside. And I don't know why, but I am extremely nervous about cutting this hole in. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong because of the temperature being so cold outside or what, but I'm just extremely nervous. However, there has to be an exhaust hole for the on-demand hot water heater. So let's get this drilled and see what happens. This is a big hole saw. I got this about, I'd say 1/3 of the way through. Man. Sorry about that. What I have to do is get this just the right speed and go from there, and that's really hard. Well, that sucks. Well, I think I just broke my mount here. Let's see if I can fix this, and I'll be back with you guys.
A few moments later.
I got it fixed. Let's keep drilling. Or trying to anyways. Got it, finally. I have the hole drilled on the inside. Now I have to go outside and drill from the outside. I have the on-demand hot water tank mounted to the wall and the exhaust installed going out through the wall here. Now I need to go out to the utility shed and finish a couple things out there. So let's head on out. As we head over to the utility shed, I've recently done a lot of work in there on the water lines anyways. So let's jump back and I'll show you what I've been up to. I hope you guys can see this well enough. This green pipe goes down and then over to the well. And it has these two white hoses in it and this black one. This white one actually goes down, goes around the well, and then comes back up out. It's going to be in-floor radiant heating to keep the water line from freezing, and this black one is the water line. Then I have another water line right here, this one, that goes down into the ground outside of this green pipe and goes that way over to the cabin. I need to connect these two together. Almost burnt my coat. What I need to do to finish connecting these two pipes together is I need to put two pipe clamps here, 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 and here. The reason I didn't do it is I didn't have them at the time. Now I have them, so let's get them installed. While we're out here, I want to show you something that I did. This right here is an inline water heater. So if you have an existing water line that could potentially freeze or has frozen in the past, you can get this inline water heater, you cut the line, and there's a heat trace that's inside this pipe that goes clear over to my cabin. And then you just plug it in with this cord, and it keeps your line from freezing. I'll put in some footage of me installing this right now. Let's get back in the cabin and continue working in there. It's the next day here on the homestead. It was 2 degrees this morning. It's warmed all the way up to 12 degrees right now. A couple days ago, my neighbor dropped off a bunch of carrot peelings and different types of veggies like that for my rabbits. So let's go out and give them some. Hi, bunnies. Babs, you didn't eat any of the celery leaves I gave you. That's okay, though. Hi, Lola. Here you go, buddy. There you go, Babs. Now that the rabbits have some food, let's go back inside where it's warm and work on the water lines. As you can see, I got all kinds of fittings and valves and stuff spread out on the floor here. Unfortunately, I still need some more stuff, so let's run to the big box store, get what I need, and then I can come back and finish this plumbing. I'm back from the box store with all my goodies that I need to finish up this plumbing. However, I'm going to hold off at the moment. It is kind of dark in here, and that's because I don't have good lighting and it's dark outside. However, I will show you another reason why I really need to get water flowing to this cabin. Now I got hot water to take a shower, so that's what I'm gonna do. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'll see you on the next video.